Hey guys, it's Meg and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're like me and you're setting up your new bullet journal ready for 2022, then you're probably trying to decide what theme you should be doing for January. So I've put together this video showing you 4 January themes that you could use for your bullet journal. I'll be talking you through this snowflake design, this cute minimalist mittens design, this black and gold fireworks design, and also a constellations design. There'll be timestamps for this video so you can skip to whichever theme you'd like to do the most, and keep watching this video for my tips on how to create these cute January spreads. So the first bullet journal theme I'm going to show you is a snowflake design, and to start off this snowflake cover page you need to mark out the centre of the page, use a compass to draw a circle. If you don't have a compass then don't worry, just do your best because you're going to be putting snowflakes around the edge anyway, so it doesn't have to be perfect. You then need to start marking out the snowflakes in pencil, and I would probably use a ruler for the larger ones just because it will be more noticeable if the lines aren't straight. But all the smaller ones I won't bother using the ruler for. To create the snowflake you need to make a cross in both directions, so that one looks like a plus sign and then another cross going through the diagonal. Then you need to just add little arrows or diamonds or something onto the lines to create the unique snowflake pattern. Once everything is sketched out in pencil, you can then start going over the top in pen. I'm using a brush pen for my calligraphy. I'll have all the pens and the stationery I'm using linked down below if you need to get yourself some. Once you've finished the title, just grab your ruler and a pen. I would recommend using as thin a pen as possible. Here I'm using a 0.05 tip pen because snowflakes are quite delicate and you want them to look really pretty and dainty. You also want to make sure that the snowflakes you do are a mixture of different sizes, with the larger ones in the bottom right hand corner of the circle and getting smaller as they go round. You can then add any details onto the snowflake that you like, just make sure that they're symmetrical. Once the snowflakes are in place around the circle, just complete the circle using dots. I'm then going to write hello in the top left hand corner, rub out all the pencil that's left behind and fill the background with a variety of small snowflakes. This next bit is optional, but if you do have a nice sparkly gel pen, maybe blue or silver, then you can use this to add a bit of detail onto the lettering and some of the larger snowflakes. But if you don't have a pen like this, you can use any colour felt tip pen if you'd like to add a bit of colour, but it does also look really nice just in black and white. And that is the snowflake theme complete. So on to theme number 2, I wanted to do another option which would be really simple and easy to draw. You want to start off like you did last time, marking out the centre of the page, as this helps you align everything and make sure it's all in the centre. And then in the top half of the page we're going to draw out 2 mitten shapes. Once you've got the mittens the way you want them, I'm also then sketching in Hello January above and below the mittens in a cute bouncy lettering style, but just in a thin pen to keep with the minimalist theme. Although I'm keeping this page really simple just with the mittens, this cozy theme is really simple and easy to draw, and you can always add more to it, like drawing little bobble hats or scarves, as well as making it your own with what colours you decide to colour them in with. And that's it for this one. Let's move on to number 3. So for this next theme I'm going to do fireworks, as it's so popular for January. You want to start off by marking out the centre again and writing out January in whatever font you like, and then it's time to add in the fireworks. To draw a classic firework you want to start with a long, slightly curved line going up, and then from the top of the line you need to create lots of little curves going around in a circle. Make sure you leave a small little gap in the centre, as this creates the explosion effect at the top of the firework. When you're comfortable with that, you can then experiment a little more, adding some stars onto the end of the explosions or creating some smaller fireworks. I then added some stars in the background, rubbed out the pencil and used a gold metallic pen to add a little bit of sparkle to this fireworks design. So on to our final design, starting off as always marking out the centre and writing in January in whatever font you like. This theme I'm going to do will be the constellations theme. It's another really popular one and it's really simple and easy to do. You just need to start off by marking out some various shapes. They can be accurate constellation shapes or they can just be made up like random triangles and various other wonky lines. To make it look like the constellations you want to add little dots on the corners of all the shapes, and then use a ruler to draw a line between all the dots and leave a tiny little gap between the end of each line and the dot. I then added some stars and dots in the background to make it look more like the night sky, and once you've rubbed out the pencil marks, that's the last theme complete. And there you have 4 January bullet journal themes to choose from. Hopefully you found this quick tutorial useful. If you did, please like, comment, subscribe and hit the notification bell, and let me know down below which of these themes you like the best and what you're going to be using for your January bullet journal. My next video will be creating a goals planner and vision board for the new year, which I will be filling in during the video to share some of my goals with you, as well as giving you all some inspiration for your own. But thank you all so much for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next one.